Now we will be having our second presentation by Ms. Sophia Hasnain from Linked Things. Ms. Sophia is the founder and CEO of Linked Things, the only IoT as a service provider in Pakistan. She has previously worked with several companies such as Telenor, Deutsche Telekom in strategy products and market engagement roles. Her work took her across the Asia, Africa, and Europe, and she got a chance to watch market dynamics and urban situation. Her passion to find high-tech solutions for real business and social challenges led her to the Linked Things that focuses on solving the industrial and enterprise markets through IoT and big data. She has done Bachelor of Engineering and Master of Science from NED University and University of Michigan, respectively. We would play her presentation video of using IoT and big data for market level monitoring and predictions.
I'll briefly talk about our company. So Link Things is about um, a 6 years old company. We have done 100 projects and have got 2,000 devices in the field. Some of our customers are like this. We work in enterprise, smart industries, smart climate, and smart cities areas. We are also globally recognized. So we work with the GSMA, UNIDO, SMIDA, World Bank, and some of the foreign missions executing projects in Pakistan mainly. We have got support from different partners as well, such as Telenor, Huawei, Nokia, and Phoenix Contact from Germany as well. We are a recognized IoT brand from Pakistan. LinkThings provide comprehensive IoT solutions. So we actually provide devices, we provide the coverage, or we organize a range coverage. Our solution is completely cloud-based with apps and dashboard. We've got AI built into our system. We integrate with APIs as well. We provide installation and after-sales services. This solution is scalable and customizable and secure, and this actually helps customers to adopt our solution quickly and be satisfied with the service provided by us. Agriculture is one of the areas that we work in and falls into the smart climate, where we actually acquire and present data directly from the field. This station that you can see on this slide is actually something that we installed in Sajawal area in 2018. It's a weather station and soil sensing unit. It's solar powered and self-sufficient. Installation was very quick, so this is also something that we focus on, that we spend less time on the installation itself. Uh, it alerts farmers and on weather changes and calamities. We curate data for further analysis by agri consultants and third parties, and data is collected 24 by 7 at 15 minutes intervals. This particular station actually monitors wind speed and direction, gust, solar radiation, UV, uh, pressure, temperature, dew point, humidity, and soil sensing unit monitors moisture and pH. We can also now experimenting with NPK sensors in other fields in interior. Um, we have also worked on acquiring and presenting data directly from rivers and canals, and this was the project that we did with Dr. Arjuman Zaidi and her team. And what we are doing there is we are monitoring water level, temperature, humidity, um, and we also have the capabilities to monitor altitude, air quality, and GPS location, which we are not doing in this particular project, but we can do that. Data is collected 24/7 at 15 minutes. Again, solar powered, self-sufficient unit, quick installation, typically less than an hour kind of. Again, the focus is that we get data directly from various devices and present them to our customers, who can then analyze the data there. And I think it is important to talk about that, because it's not just the technology, sometimes it's the installation and operations that needs to be taken care of. For example, we have seen that access to electricity was cut a couple of times in the past few weeks, a few years or months, that we have seen that, and we had to actually get the irrigation department involved to get that. So there is, like, these units are installed and they continue to work, but they also uh, you know need to be taken care of and to be owned by the staff on the ground, because we feel that sometimes the staff on the ground is not taking care of the units the way it is required, and that's the reason sometimes it all suffers as well. The project suffers. So what I want to say is that technology is important, but there is the whole ecosystem around it that needs to own this and to make it all work. Because technology itself is at a point where I think it is a lot of the things that we thought, just like 10 years ago, are quite possible to execute and to run and maintain. So, like, our devices that we had installed, they continue to work in the harshest of the environment. Like, if you talk about the humidity conditions, the weather, the temperature, and they are out in the open, so the rainfall and all that, and the units continue to send the data, provided that nobody has cut the electrical wire, or done anything like that. So yeah. uh, we have also provided the dashboard, which you can see here. So the units at the moment are installed at Kuddu and Sakha Barrage, and they're upstream and downstream. So there were 4 units, and we will be installing 2 more at Kotri next week, and going forward. So we have this kind of a dashboard. Um, See the location map. You can also get the tabular. You can get the real values. You can look at the data, time series data. You can also download this data in Excel format and look and analyze it separately as well. um, what can be done with this kind of a project or this kind of work is that you can actually get real-time water level information, flood warning. You can also set up farmer advisories. You can set up water level alerts and set up national, regional, and local level advisory. So all the manual recordings can be replaced by this system, which is going to which is recording. So if we imagine, if we have something like this all over Indus River, um, this would be most useful, because then from head of the river all the way to the basin, we will be able to record in real time and flow, and all that analysis on the water flow, uh, um, speed, uh, flood speeds, levels, directions, that can all be mapped going forward by the irrigation department or WAPTA, whoever owns the whole complete system. So the dashboard also, this is another, when we have got comprehensive weather information as well, then the dashboard can also give other information which can be uh, correlated with water level data, because yeah, it is one thing to actually look at water level data, but if you want to see the impact of water level on humidity, on other factors, and vice versa. So a lot of correlation kind of work can also be done going forward if we have other sensors. The same, some trends that we can see Uh, what we have done is we have also made part of the work public as well, and this data is available on linkedthings.ai or linked-things.com websites as well. You can click and get the data there. We have got sizable footprint. So we've got agriculture units at Badin, Mirpur Khas, Wabi, Chakwal, a couple of them in Mirpur Khas, uh, and so on. And water level is Guddu and Sakhar and Kotri would be done next week. Um, so far overall, since I told you that we have other products, other IoT products as well, we focus mostly on the industrial space as well, where we are working on driving efficiencies in the industrial processes. We have also worked with LUMS on the air quality monitoring, which we are doing Lahore-wide with them. We are also working on Lahore-wide air quality monitoring with the World Bank, and you can see all the other businesses. The goal is that once we measure it, we manage it. So thank you very much for providing me this opportunity. You can reach out to me on my phone or my email address, and I'm looking forward to extending the conversation. I hope I wish I was there in person, but I'm not and unable to travel. But hopefully, in any other next session, I can also come over to Jamshoro and provide you with the information. Thank you very much.